we should be live right here. So give it time, don't rush it. It's Friday, market is pushing, correct, but wait, take your time, okay? We just pushed ourselves above managed to close above previous day's highs and overnight highs. It's saying we have to go for a long or long. Be careful, don't just do it. Okay, it's extremely overbought. This is the opening. It's the first 15 minutes. I would rather take a short back to here, or maybe back to overnight lows, instead of just rushing and going for long. So I'm planning a quick short with an SR fallback reversal that might not come. All long here. I have to be more swinging and trading sideways and then break out, and then we can go for it. Here it's just too overbought. We can look for DAX as an opportunity. DAX is also pushing quite good here. Just see if I can get the chart. But DAX is also pushing and showing an orb high soon also. We took the SR fallback short, managed to make some good money. I'm up a lot today. That's good for the mirror trading account, for you that's mirroring me. If you want to access that, link in the description. You can read more about it, mirrortrading.com. Remember, mirrortrading.com is automatically. You can read about it in Danish as well, in English, and my software that I'm using, my indicator. Here we go. That's trades, right? Both book a call if you are high net worth investors. Keep it simple here. I mean, things is really pushing. It's also showing an orb long here for DAX. I think it's overbought. I wouldn't take a long here. I would focus on taking a short because it's overbought. But should I go for long and follow the system? I could do that. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm just looking at the previous patterns and looking at where previous resistance is, and it's around here before it's gonna sell off. It breaks out of previous day's highs. It's rally a bit and then sells off. So I'm expecting the same to happen around 300. So I want to go for a short, but I'm just waiting a little bit here. There's nothing wrong with orb long. There's nothing wrong with it. It will work. It looks good. There's nothing wrong with it. Okay, it's correct. I'm just waiting a little bit. Waiting 7 minutes more. Then I'll take a trade with you. It could be an orb long. There's nothing wrong with it. Nothing. Everything looks good. I'm just waiting myself. Okay? That's it. You don't have to. You are human. You're an adult. You can take responsibilities for your own actions. I think DAX is a short as well, around 300. I actually want to go for short on DAX because I think when Nasdaq starts selling off, then DAX is gonna come after it. Looks a little bit overbought if you ask me regarding DAX. Could correct itself back to 180. Again, it could also rally. I mean, I'm aware of that. Back to 500. Right now is the Nasdaq indicator, just so you're aware, just so you don't get confused. We could change it to DAX. So right here, it's showing a long, but again, let's wait. Because to me, it looks more like a short, but I don't want to overcomplicate this. You know what, guys? I'm going to open a short position on my live account. I'm just letting you know. So I'm opening a short position on the Nasdaq. Opening a short here also in the mirror trading account. I'm opening a short right here at 315. I want to target 690. I want to target these previous days lows, okay? I want to have my stop loss above. For me, it looks like a short, so I'm short. Just letting you know, I think it's overbought. I have this on also to see what retail investors would do, and they would go long, and that could be good for us. That's very good for us to know when they're gonna go in. So we in here for 315, 318. I'm short. Want to see if this is gonna dump. I'm thinking about taking a short position as well on the DAX. DAX looks way too overbought. I think it's an overreaction. So short here on the Nasdaq. Could it rally? Could it continue? Of course. It could go higher, much higher. And I'm aware of that. Okay. But it could also easily correct itself. I think it's going to push first before it's going to correct itself. So stay in light, don't over leverage. Let's see. Currently short, waiting for a sell-off. Do we have any news today? I have to check. We don't have any news really. We have some coming in 2 minutes. That could be tricky. Be careful. Let's see here. Doesn't look like it's gonna sell off. Nope, it's actually pushing. They're probably waiting good news. Interesting. So market is actually pushing. They could push it quite high. Let's see. I have my stop loss at 355 on my Miro trading account. I'm short on my Miro trading and my other live account. If it goes up to 355, I'm out. That's my stop loss. Looks like it's pushing. It's going up. Continue to push higher. News in seconds. Let's see if I get stopped out. I have my stop loss very tight here. I'm taking out. I'm stopped out. Just want to let you know that I got stopped out. I took a loss. I don't have any open positions. Let's see here. It's a loss of 0.3%. Let's see if it's going to continue to push. It's an interesting market. Big push here. Have to be careful. It could sell off again, but it's tricky. That's the first loss I've been taking in a long time. Interesting. I can make it back in seconds. I don't have to. It was a 0.2% risk. Yeah, I mean it's very light. So stopped out. I'm gonna probably re-enter again. Short. So I want to get ready for a short. It looks like it's not really holding, and it looks like it's gonna sell off. Still looks like a short to me. Doesn't look like a long. Let's see, I don't have any open positions. I want to wait. I thought it would give news and then sell off. All news is actually red news. I mean, it's just as expected, yeah. Not much progress, to be honest. Let's see here. I really want to go short, guys. I'm just letting you know. You know what? I'm going to take a short position here again. To me, it looks like a short. I just opened a short position here again at 355, exactly where I got stopped down. Let's see here if this is going to sell off finally, or if this is just going to be tricky. It's a tricky trade. So open a short again here at 55. I really want to target these unmitigated or below, or just like 59 or unmitigated at 145. So I really want to target these lows. It might not work. I'm gonna give it a couple of minutes more and then see. Looks like it's just strong. It's pushing. This trade might not work. You just have to accept it, I think, and move on. Probably have to accept it and move on. To me, it looks like a short. Looks like a short. It looks like a short all day long. Will it come? Still think it's a short. Come on, sell off. Don't be choppy. If it breaks below the long entry of 330, I think it's going to correct itself. Pretty strong. But it doesn't seem to work. Nope, doesn't seem to work. It's too strong today. It's showing strong support around 330. So be careful. I'm gonna exit my position in the next 10 seconds if I don't see any sell off. Come on, sell off. 10, 9, 8, 7. I wanted to sell off more, guys. I wanted to sell off more. Still looks like a short to me. Still looks like a short, but thinks it's just very choppy and it's really playing with me. US, yeah, short there. Come on. Are you gonna sell off or are you just gonna be an idiot? Come on, correct yourself. Come below 330. It's tricky. I mean, it could be a good short. Come on, go below 330. So first trade was a loss. Very light position. I'm still short right now. It could work. It could also be a headache. We below 30, that's good for me. I want it to go below 300 for really to be a good setup for me personally. DAX is really pushing, like what's going on? DAX really managed to push crazy. As you can see, it's just keep pushing, it keeps going up. Wow. DAX just rallied 100 points. That's insane. I don't know what's going on with DAX. I think DAX could be a good short as well. If Nasdaq breaks below 300, I would really like to add to it. But right now it's just not working. It's just not working. But I'm still confident that it could be a setup that I would like. Especially if you break below 300. I don't know about DAX, but DAX is insane. Let's see. Why is DAX so strong? What about UK? So if UK is selling off, no, that's also pushing for a long. DJ 30, that's also pushing, but start getting weaker. Nasdaq also, then we might see a sell-off in Nasdaq. We could, and then we could see the rest of the market correct itself later on. I don't know what's going on with DAX, that's insane. Again, if DAX starts selling off, then Nasdaq could also come, and if Nasdaq starts selling off, then DAX might also rally, right? So right now I'm short. This is a long, but I think it's gonna correct itself. This is gonna sell off 500 points, 400 points in one row, and you're asking me why? I cannot answer that, but it will today, especially if Nasdaq start correcting itself. So I'm in profit. I think I'm back what I just lost. Yeah, it looks good. Come on. Don't be stupid, Nasdaq. Start selling off. really working. Nothing is really working today. It's just very slow and it's just pointing up. But let it do that. Let it do that. It is what it is. Come on. Sell off. Correct yourself. Come all the way back again. Then I'm more than happy to add to you, little Nasdaq. Come on. Go down. Sell off. Come on. Sell off. Correct yourself. I just think it'd have to break maybe 300. Then I could take profit or I could hold it. Have to decide. I mean, I'm still interested in actually shorting it more, but I just wanted to go down instead of like going sideways. It have to break below these lows of 313. If it doesn't break below, it's not a good one. Come on, sell off. You're not doing anything really. Okay, we could consider taking profit, but I mean, yeah. And then short DAX. DAX is extremely overbought. Think about adding to short, but it have to break below these lines. It still looks like a good short to me. I would be happy shorting it. So entry 355. If we could add below 300, that will work for me. Then I'll be all happy. But I'm in profit today on the Miro trading account. Let's see here, giving it a couple of more minutes, then I don't want to trade more. Then I'm gonna go to the gym. Don't want to spend more time on this market. Also have to do some other work. I mean, it's just pushing back and it's not really selling off. It's not really giving me what I was expecting, to be honest. Okay, so while we have a short, let's look at the DAX. If DAX could come back, yes it could. DAX could be a very good short. I'm opening up a short position as well. You don't have to copy me. I'm opening up a short position here. I want to target the lows. You don't have to copy anything I do. This is my short position, and yes, I'm short. So I'm short DAX. I have a stop loss of like 45 points, and I have a target that's way more. I mean, it's a very good risk to reward if that's gonna work. Might not work. It's like a 4.6 risk to reward. I'm short DAX and I'm short Nasdaq. This is on my live account. This is not on my Miro account. It's just on my live account. And then you say, yeah, that's good mess. I am actually short. I could show it to you right here. Right, DAX. It's a light position, 500 contracts. And then Nasdaq also. Let's see here. On my private account, still short, not doing anything else, basically just waiting for it to correct itself. I think DAX is gonna turn here. I don't want to add to DAX because I know it could push more, so I'm not gonna add to it. The DAX position, I'll just hold it for it. Let's see here. Are you gonna sell off Nasdaq or are you just gonna be choppy? Nasdaq looks like it's very choppy. It doesn't want to do anything. Doesn't want to do anything. It's quite insane. Big push here on Nasdaq. Nasdaq is pushing. could really be a long day. Friday, boring long. It could really be a long. I mean, it could really be a long. But I'm still holding short. I don't want to take more of your time, guys. I'm still holding my short position on Nasdaq and DAX. Haven't changed anything. I have my stop loss here at 417. Do you want to go long? Nope, not for me. I'm not interested in going long. I know that might be the right move, but I'm personally not taking the long. I think the market could easily correct itself. That's simply why I have opened a little short position. I'm not perfect. I don't have to be right, but I'm short. I have my stop loss up here at 417. Currently trading at 327. I'm targeting overnight lows on 1 to see, and I think it's going to break unmitigated or below. So I'm short Nasdaq, and I'm also short DAX. DAX doesn't look that good, but I have my stop loss in place and I have my target in place. I'm probably going to close my DAX, just letting you know, around 200, half of it, and then close it later tonight, late tonight, the rest if it starts selling off. I still think it could be a very, very bloody red Friday. I think today it could really sell off a lot. That's just how I feel and how I see the market. Doesn't mean I have to be right or wrong, right? It's just my opinion, so make your own opinion. I don't want to take more of your time. I still have good confidence in my setup here, and I'll hold on to it. So I'll see you Monday. Holding on to these shorts here, I'm risking about 0.5%. I lost the first trade, 0.3%, 0.4%. Still in profits for today, and now I've won back what I just kind of like lost. So haven't closed it. I want to target overnight lows. I think it could sell off to 500 points, 400 points from here. I also think it could break below and then target previous day's lows. I'm actually serious, dead serious, and I'm not trying to be unrealistic. Okay, maybe it's not gonna happen. Then I get stopped out. That's fine. So I'll just have this, let it run, and then I'll let you know once I close it.